Sawadee Krap. My name is Finley Cody and I am a project coordinator for Pivab. Since its founding in 1976, Pivab has been a world leader in spray booth technology. Pivab prides itself on its high quality and efficient systems. Working for Volvo requires international standards to be followed, which in the end ensures a top quality finish is guaranteed. The areas provided are used to aid in the repair of vehicles and ultimately the painting of these repaired vehicles. One area Pivab really focuses on is its environmental impact. Pivab's horizontal airflow in the spray booth uses only 33% power of that compared to conventional downdraft spray booths. In addition, Pivab chooses to use an electrical source to provide its heating, with 80% of air being recycled. High quality European filters are used to filter the paint throughout the entire process. Comparing to other spray booth suppliers, Pivab's choice of filters guarantees that even when the filters are full, the fans will continue to operate as normal. The entire system is run by ABB motors and frequency converters, which are able to speed up and down depending on the mode selected. Everything that Pivab decides to use in its spray booth is entirely aimed to reducing the environmental impact without jeopardizing the high quality product that Pivab is known for. Khop khun krap.